Hi everyone! Welcome to Lifestyle C. It's Sungeun. We are at the end of November and Christmas is coming in less than 1 month. This year, I decided to decorate my place with a more festive atmosphere than ever and also retrieve my childish innocence. However, as my usual style, I'm going to stay with a minimal, simple, and poetic aesthetic. For you guys, I prepared a poetic, festive winter home decor design package. You can find all the ideas and information that I'm going to talk about today in a handy PDF file. So if you like my design, please feel free to download and refer to the design package for your winter home decor. You can find the link from the description box below. In today's video, I'm going to share my winter and Christmas decor plans and processes. Then in the next video, I will share the final result. Let's dive into the first part. My winter decor concept is unexpected winter woodland. First, I'm going to set a natural Christmas tree in my living room as a focal point and layer many other natural elements such as pine cones, pine leaves, twigs, cotton balls, etc. Like the name, I want to bring more wintry feelings, so I will spray my Christmas tree with a can of snow spray. Then I will hang some wild animal ornaments on that tree. Next, I want to bring a lot of dainty and small starlights throughout my home. It will make my home more festive and romantic. I also want to make the atmosphere soft and cozy, and I will use a lot of cotton balls and some knit items. Because it's Christmas time, I love to use more glamorous things than usual, but they can be mix of rustic and glam. For example, vintage glass and mirror ornaments and vintage brass details. From here, I'm going to tell you about my main ideas for this unexpected winter woodland decor. Although I don't like sweets in general, hot chocolate is one of my favorite drinks in the winter. Not only for me and my husband, but this can be one of the good reasons for inviting people. I will prepare cacao powder, marshmallows, and other various sprinkles. Also, I will try to find some vintage glasses, mugs, spoons, and containers for this corner. If you wanna use some items for a specific event, thrifting is a good solution to not spend too much money. So I recommend it. A Christmas tree is the main piece. As I mentioned earlier, this year I will make a tree that looks like it has snow on it. A few years ago, I purchased beautiful vintage effect glass and mirror ornaments, and I love them so much. I think I will use them for many years because they are a basic silver color, but it's softly glamorous and I'm not getting bored. Every year I just add a different theme of ornaments. This year mine is wild animals and natural objects like pine cones. I fell in love with these Starburst Lights. So I will collect some wintry twigs and hang a few of these beautiful lights on them. Again, lights. I think we can bring a lot of small light sources this time of year You will make your place like a fairy tale. I will put many of them throughout my apartment, but I wanna do that especially for my entryway. I think of my entryway as a transitional space between outside and inside, and it connects each room. So I wanna make this place an extension of outside and put many lanterns and candles. It will make people happy as soon as they come into my home. This year, I'm going to use a lot of cotton balls. So instead of a traditional style wreath, I will make a basic green one and add cotton balls. My centerpiece will be a vase with cotton ball stems. I will decorate some pine cones, pine leaves, and candles around it. And I will bring vintage brass and silver elements for the vase, cutlery, and glasses. One other spot I want to decorate with the theme is my sideboard. So I will put some garlands, a bit of silvery ornaments, natural wood, a few animal figures, and candles here. Alongside of my real Christmas tree, I have a fabric panel printed a tree illustration. So I will hang it in my office and decorate it with similar elements. I want my bedroom to have less Christmas decor, but I wanna bring a bit different vibe. So with my posters, I wanna decorate this room with some lights and candles. Also, I wanna prepare nice soft socks and hot water bottle for a cozy night. I wanna cozy up my bathroom. I will decorate a few pine cones, deep scented candles, and a spa basket with some good body products. Whether you have a large terrace or a small balcony, you can try to make ice lanterns when it snows. I think it's really beautiful. You can make it using balloons or simple containers. Find more information on the design package. These are my ideas and plans for this holiday season. I hope you find some inspiration from this video. Please let me know which is your favorite, and if you try anything, tag your photos using #lifestyle_C. I would love to see it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm going to be sharing the final result in the next one. Thank you for watching and see you very soon. Bye!
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm